Yesterday we rolled into Almaty and it is amazing. Incredible mountains in the background. It's a very cosmopolitan city. It reminds me a lot of a European city. This morning I got up to run the final race, and it was a 25-kilometer run. As you can probably imagine, when I rolled out of bed this morning, I was fried. Then I showed up at the start and I saw 250 runners, and they were so fired up to see me that I kind of rose to the occasion. And we took off on this 25-kilometer run, which is 15 plus miles, and the pace was really fast out of the gate. I thought we'd all run as a group, but the lead runners just took off like a wild horse, like the Kazakhstan wild horses. They just started running when they were set free. So, but I think overall it just showed the power of sports diplomacy and the power of running to unite people. People were smiling, people were laughing. The whole thing was just, it was great. No matter if you were up in the front with me or in the very back, we really blazed up the mountain, and in an incredible time. We had a nice celebration at the highest, as I understand it, the highest outdoor ice skating rink in the world at the base of this incredible ski resort. Almaty was just the perfect finish to a really amazing journey, a transformative journey. You know, not just for the people that ran with me, but for me myself. It's hard to express to someone the emotions I feel, and you know, the friendships I've made along the way, and how quickly it's all passed. So I'm going to enjoy my lunch, enjoy that final engagement, and then pack my bags and head for the airport later on.